Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you the basics of a good intro, somewhat like this one in the background. I don't usually do educational videos like these, but it came up in my mind while I was vibing in quarantine. You know what? I should probably make a video about it. Just start the fucking video already. An important element of making a good intro is the music you are going to pick. Do not choose a fucking 3D spinny intro with dubstep louder than your mom's moaning from downstairs. If you have an intro with loud ass dubstep, you are basically saying, turn down your volume, my voice sounds like shit and you don't want to listen to it. Something along the lines of that. Heck, I even used to have those intros and thought they sounded like shit, so I replaced them with calm music. I know Marinol by Leaf is a good song, but you should never use it for intros. You can also use. I'm actually serious, it can make a good intro. First, the music isn't too loud. Second, the intro is short, and third, people know what you're watching. The next element of a good intro is the duration of an intro is also an importance of a good intro. The amount of time your intro should be less than 12 seconds. If the intro is too long, people are going to skip it or sleep in the entire video because the intro is long and boring. Just like those anime compilations you see on your YouTube recommended, which has a bunch of anime clips with music playing over it which goes for a whole fucking minute, and they call it an intro. If your intro is too long, might as well have no intro at all. Another element of a good intro is what your intro looks like. If you have an intro with a lot of flashing lights, you are going to kill epileptic people before they watch your video.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Even worse, you could blind them for the rest of their life. And these 3D spinning text with just your name is too fucking annoying and overrated. If you want to make an intro, never use Panzoid. It's the fucking motherlode of these 3D text intros, and indie YouTubers steal templates from that website. If you want to make a good intro, you animate it frame by frame and put some calm music so that people will watch your intro. You can even make it simple like mine. Whatever you do, do not search up my new intro on YouTube. You have to take this fucking warning seriously. You will regret it. Before you guys go, I'm going to let you know that I'm opening my Discord server. Click the link down below if you want to join and communicate with me.